Just got to the spot, my parents' house, West Haven, Connecticut. Gonna go do some clamming. Kind of new scenery around here. Only been here once. Kind of sketched out. Just got to the spot. Got my dad with me. Going clamming. First time ever. Milford, Connecticut. Didn't realize it was gonna be such a walk. And they don't even shovel it. Ha! Kind of smells like poop out here. Hopefully these clams don't taste poopy. We're actually on the beach now. Don't really know what we're looking for.
We are shellfishing, we're okay.
I think we're just gonna start digging holes. Looking for stuff. There's all kinds of shells on the shore, so there's definitely something here. Somebody told me when you see stuff squirt out of the sand, you know something there. Oh, here we go. First clam of the day.
I don't know how deep to go. Strike one.
Strike one.
Do you have to fill your hole back up?
I don't know. I think the ocean does it. Oh, what's that thing? Go down a little deeper. Well, you don't gotta dig that deep, do you? No, they don't get down that deep. How could they? All right, strike one.
Yeah, it's on the top.
Oh. Weird, huh? But those look like those could have been a couple days old.
What's that?
Those could have been like a couple days old.
What?
Try this one. Are you finding live ones? I think I found some oysters, but I don't know if they're dead or not. They're not closed up tight like every other oyster I've ever shucked. Oh, cool. I don't know if we can eat those though, can we?
Yeah. Mussels.
Are you sure?
No size limit.
Oh, really?
Yep.
See, yeah, it looks like there's something in there, but it's like kind of open. Oh, that one closed up tight.
I'd say this guy's okay.
Well, you got to make sure it's. So this is two stuck together. Is that still? Oh, I guess that's one.
I wouldn't trust this.
Doesn't it? It's so tough. Does it smell bad?
Yeah.
up finding some good shellfish with my dad.
And the infamous Buta.
And that weird thing. Pretty
That
into
is
that.
the elephant king of the oyster universe.
That's right. We did pretty good. I think we got more than like 2 dozen. Look at that guy. That's the biggest one of the day. Not including the double. That's a big oyster. This one too. I think you found this one in the poo-poo water though. I'm not eating that one. All kinds of good stuff. We only found, you guys seen that one clam we found earlier, and we got a whole bunch of these things. We don't really. I thought I read online that they weren't really edible, but we're gonna give it a try. So we only found the one clam, so we're actually gonna go sneak over to the fish market and get some clams for my ma, because she was really hoping to make some fried clams. But we're gonna do all kinds of sorts of stuff with these oysters. Eat some raw, cook some up. Show you some pictures when we're all done with that.
Don't forget the shots.
What?
We're gonna do some shots.
Oh, and some oyster shots. Yeah. So we just went to the fish market to get some steamers because my mom really wanted some steamers, and we found that one clam and all the oysters. We found out the oysters in the bay are actually poison. We could have died. Pretty serious. So
and that would have been bad.
Real bad. So we ended up just buying a whole bucket worth of little necks and like so many friggin' steam, couple quahogs and like 10 pounds of steamers. So we're gonna tell my mom that we like hit it big and really bring home the bacon on her and see how long we can run it for. She's pretty gullible, but I think she'll heading out of West Haven, heading home, back to New Hampshire. I got about a 4-hour drive ahead of me. Not looking forward to that. I had a pretty long night last night. I think my dad might be able to out party me. We had a good time though. Those oyster shots, man, I highly recommend you all try some of them if you haven't already. Let me know if you have, how they are. Let me know if you do, how they are. Let's see, what else do we got going on there? Oh yeah, so I had a pretty good day yesterday. I'd say so. I mean, we got out there. It was a nice day here. It was almost like 50 degrees. So a good change of pace from that friggin' Arctic blast we had up home. Got those oysters, found out we couldn't eat them, but then my dad dropped some loot on all that other shellfish we could eat. That was damn good. We had a good feed. I'm going to bring I shucked those other oysters though, the poison ones, and I'm going to bring them back home and try them out for bait. I mean, they stink. I imagine every fish in the world wants to eat them. So I'm going to give them a try, and yeah. Hope you guys all enjoy the shenanigans. Yeah. Tune in next time. I'll have some more goodness for you guys. I think I'm going to be doing some night fishing next. Yeah. Thanks for watching. AP Fishing coming at you and saying goodbye, good night, good evening, good morning.